Welcome to this video on Binance, the cryptocurrency exchange that has rapidly emerged as the #1 platform in the industry. Today, we'll take a look at how Binance rose to the top of the game in just 2 years, despite facing several challenges. We'll start with a brief history of Binance, including its CEO Changpeng Zhao's previous experiences in the crypto industry, which gave him the know-how to create a platform that valued users' interests above everything else. Binance's unique approach of prioritizing its customers enabled it to gain a loyal following, even in the face of regulatory crackdowns and hacker attacks. Next, we'll discuss how Binance operates, with a focus on the exchange's commitment to protecting users' investments. This approach has been a key factor in Binance's success, as it has helped the company to gain the trust of the crypto community. Moving on, we'll explore how Binance was different from other exchanges from the start. By designing the exchange to not allow trading in fiat currencies, Binance was able to avoid regulation issues and provide efficient services to its growing customer base. We'll then delve into the company's experience with hacker attacks, including a successful attempt that led to the theft of $40 million worth of cryptocurrency. Despite the setback, Binance was able to recover and continue trading, thanks to its secure asset fund for users. Binance has become a household name in the cryptocurrency industry, thanks to its ability to provide users with a seamless experience when trading digital assets. One of the reasons for its success is its intuitive user interface, which has been designed to make it easy for beginners and experienced traders alike to navigate the platform. Binance offers users access to over 500 different cryptocurrencies, making it one of the largest exchanges in the world in terms of the number of coins available for trade. The exchange has also introduced a range of trading features to make it easier for users to manage their digital assets. Some of these features include margin trading, futures trading, and options trading. Another reason for Binance's success is its commitment to security. The exchange has implemented a range of security measures to protect users' funds, including two-factor authentication, anti-phishing codes, and withdrawal address whitelisting. In addition, Binance keeps the majority of its funds in cold storage, which means they are stored offline and are therefore less susceptible to hacking attempts. Binance has also made a name for itself in the industry by being quick to adopt new technologies and support new cryptocurrencies. For example, the exchange was one of the first to support the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, which is a blockchain platform that is designed to be faster and cheaper than Ethereum. The exchange has also launched its own cryptocurrency, Binance Coin (BNB), which is used to pay for trading fees on the platform. Overall, Binance's success can be attributed to its focus on providing users with a secure and user-friendly platform, its commitment to innovation, and its willingness to support new technologies and cryptocurrencies. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to grow and evolve, it will be interesting to see how Binance adapts to the changing landscape. And that's a wrap on our overview of how Binance became the #1 exchange in the crypto industry. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content. And don't forget to check out the link in the description to support us in creating more free videos like this one. Thank you for watching.